Program Transfer Tool is a PC-based file transfer tool that provides a simplified graphical interface for drag and drop of program files between a PC and a CNC control. To configure Program Transfer Tool, open the Start menu and click the All Apps button in the lower left corner. Go to Program Transfer Tool and select Setting dialog. To configure the machine, select Machine Number. With the Program Transfer Tool, users can establish communications between a PC and up to 255 Fanuc CNC controls. Now enter the machine name. Then, select CNC type from the drop-down list. And select number of control pads from the drop-down list. Now, press Save button to save the setting. Then, go to the next tab, Program Memory, and select Communicate with Program Memory. In Communication Settings, enter Ethernet type as Embedded Ethernet and set IP address. Now, press Save button to save the setting. If you want to check communication, press button Communication Setting Confirmation. Here you can see a reply from CNC if communication is established. Close Communication Test window and exit from Program Transfer Tool Settings screen. This completes machine configuration. Now, to launch Program Transfer Tool, open the Start menu and click the All Apps button in the lower left corner. Go to Program Transfer Tool folder and select Program Transfer Tool. Now in Program Transfer Tool window, there are two sections. Top section displays PC folders and bottom section displays configured machine list. In Machine List, select the configured CNC. Bottom section displays available programs and CNC folders, and top section displays files of PC folder. To transfer a program from PC to CNC, drag the program from PC folder area and drop in program memory area. And then press Download button. Similarly, to transfer a program from the CNC to PC, drag the program file from CNC program memory area and drop in PC folder area. And then press Upload button. To delete a program, select the program. Right-click on that and select option Delete, and then press Delete button. To transfer a program from PC to memory card, Fanuc program.bin file, select CF-bin folder. Here, you can see available programs and memory card. To transfer program from PC to CNC, drag the program from PC folder area and drop in memory card, and then press Download button. Here, you can see program is downloaded in memory card. We can see this program in CNC MEM card folder. Navigate to Program folder and press OPRT. Now press Device Change and select MEM card. Here, you can see program number 02001 is transferred from PC. Thank you for watching.